Now how to chat in voice mode in ChatGPT application. Now here, first click this two-line menu here. Now here, slide down. First we will set it up by clicking this here, this profile here. Now here, click on this voice here. Now here, first change the language input here by clicking on this language input here. Select any language you can understand here. Here I will use English here. Now click on OK, or you can leave it in auto detect here like this, and then click on OK. Now here, click on the voice here to change the voice and select the voice model you want to use here, mean the AI you want to chat it and how it work. You can see here how the AI see things. You see it here. Now select anyone you like and then click on done here. And here you can see background conversations, mean you can keep the conversation on even outside a ChatGPT application and also while your screen is off. Now also here you can see use as default assistant. You can use this as default as assistant by clicking this toggle here and then follow up the steps. Now here you can go back here. Later I will come back to this default assistants. Now here you can go back by clicking this back arrow here. Now here go back entirely by clicking your back navigation. Now here click on the screen like this. Now here to chat in voice mode, after setting it up, what you will do is just click here. Now here click on this continue here to start chatting in voice mode here, and then wait for the AI which you will chat with here, and then start chatting with the AI model you selected like this. You can see. And here let me say something. How are you this morning?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm also doing great this morning.
That's wonderful to hear. What's on your mind today?
What is the best food you suggest I will eat this morning which is more nutritious?
Really set a positive tone for your day. Some great options include 1. Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. 3. Whole grain toast with avocado and a boiled egg. Each of these options is rich in...
And to go back, click on this cancel icon here. Now here, if you want to share it for the ChatGPT application to use it to improve their model, you can click on share. If you don't want, you can click on don't share, but here I will click on share. Now here is where you see all your chat with the voice model. Here you see it. So that's how to chat in voice mode. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Also, you can see the video on the screen or in the description section in order to know how to use this ChatGPT application. Most of all, see you on the next video. Peace.